So if you're looking for a cell phone which you can use internationally and you can use in different countries, then you've come to the right video. In this short video, I'm going to show you a cell phone which you can use to chat in different languages without necessarily copying and pasting messages. Okay, now the cell phone which you have to use at this time is the Google Pixel. Now Google Pixel remains one of the best international cell phones because it has an inbuilt translator, application. It has an inbuilt translation function. You get to activate it by installing the Google Translator. So at first, or formally, with your other cell phones, you get to write in different languages, and then you get to copy, paste, translate to whatever language the person you want to send message to understands. Okay. Now, gone are the days that you do things like this. So basically, if you have the Google Pixel, you have to first of all go over to Google Play Store and then install the Google Translator. Okay. So once you have this Google Translator installed, the next thing you want to do is you have to open it at least for once. Now, once you open it, you have to make sure it's working. At this point, you have to note that this Google Pixel is going to pick the preferred language on your phone. Since the application is inbuilt, the system is going to pick your preferred language. Remember, when you using the Google Pixel for the first time and you sign up, or probably you put the phone on, you get to go through some few questions where they ask your country and your language. Now, whatever language you put in at that point, that is the same language Google Pixel is going to pick. That is the same language this application is going to pick. So once it has picked your primary language, the next thing you want to do is just to translate every single message that comes in your cell phone in other languages. For instance, if I go over to my normal messages, like normal SMS, you can see clearly that all the messages I receive right here are in English. However, the messages came in French, okay? But because I'm using Google Pixel, it is automatically translated. I'm not sure any other phone can do this. If you go over to applications like maybe WhatsApp, okay? So if you go over to applications like WhatsApp, you're gonna see that the translator function will be inbuilt in the phone. So you can see clearly that the translator option is somewhere around here. Now I cannot select this feature for some reasons, but you can see clearly that there is a translation button just right here. Okay, so you have to tap it. So for instance, if I want to send message to this guy in French, I can already, my primary language is English, but I want to send French. I can already see everything. So if I say maybe how are you doing today, okay, so you can see that I wrote how are you doing today in English, but the message is being sent in French, as you can see, and I send it, I said it in French. Now when this person replies, the message is automatically translated to English. So it's automatically translated to me in English. Now let me show you an example. So as you can see, this is a sample message in French. However, within a few seconds, it's going to be translated to English. Okay. So as you can see, everything is translated within the application without me necessarily copying and pasting. Okay. So that is one of the strongest feature that I've ever seen in any cell phone, and this is found only on the Google Pixel. So for those of you who intend to do some international transactions and chat in different languages, I would recommend the Google Pixel cell phone.